How to turn off or on desktop site on your Google Chrome. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off or on desktop sites on your Google Chrome. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Google Chrome and click on those 3 points up there. Now click on settings. Scroll down and click on site settings. Now you can scroll down and click on the last option, which is this desktop site, and you can turn off to request mobile view, and you can now turn on to request desktop view, and this is it. You choose whatever you want. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video don't forget to subscribe and like.